Hello everyone. Why?
Sinabi mo talaga.
Who is this guy
Why
speaking?
nagbibideo na si Maka?
This is not my bedroom, bro. I'm going to get out of here. And why is this, what is this, bro?
Oy, it's Granny.
This cabinet is so payat. This cabinet. Okay, what that, bro? I got jump scared. I got jump scared by this guy, bro.
No.
Okay, let's go. Let's go into
We got some
speedrun.
fucking grannies over here.
I'm going to be nightmare.
Pinson is taking back shots from Granny.
The reverse. Oh! Yo, what the?
Oh, we're revealing names now, okay? We're revealing.
Yo, open it. Yo. What the?
I'm not gonna open the
Yo, we need the battery.
fucking Old Spice.
Oh, okay, we need the battery. Now let's do this. What?
Bro, I swear I did not sell it, bro. I
Number
did not
2.
sell it.
Oh, I thought you were Granny, bro. The naked.
Fucking Granny. Kill me, you slut. Oh, yes, Dad.
What?
Kill me, you slut.
I thought it was a normal battery. Bro, are you kidding?
Okay, alright. Ay! I'm robbing your house.
What is this?
Why is City
City
Lady
boy?
all here? This is a fucking old bear. Why is City old lady here?
Old lady.
Go.
Old woman. City old woman.
What the Wonder Woman?
Yes. Yes.
Who the fuck died?
But
I found the engine, guys.
we got a
Oh
spark.
shit. Granny.
I do not know where the update.
I found your grandma's book. I do not know. Oh no, Granny. Granny's gonna kill me.
I'm stuck. Okay, never mind.
I do not know. Why? Granny.
Oh.
I've been searching for Granny.
I wish I
body
knew.
pics.
Oh my god.
I've been searching for Granny body pics.
Oh, I wish I knew.
No way, man. Why would you search Granny body pics?
Grandix. I want to retry, bro.
I do not know why I fell.
Bro, this is I don't know.
Bro. Acrobatic. What the?
Wait, bro.
We have the spark plug, guys. We have the spark plug.
Bro.
The car is complete. We just need the car key. Oh my goodness.
Bro, it's not even that high. It's not even that high, bro. How did I take damage?
It's not that deep.
What the watermelon? Okay.
What the fuck is the old lady? I have
Wait,
the code.
I
I have
know.
the code.
Okay, I know how
I have
now.
the code. Wait, I forgot about the spider key, bro.
I do not care
Tapu.
about that. I know. What do you want? I have the melon.
Guys, we have access to the spider area.
Oh. Where is this? I need that.
Give me some screwdriver. Oh yeah, Granny. Oh yeah. I just got cornered by Granny, bro.
I can even drop things right now.
No way. There's no way.
Say walahi. Say you.
I have a shotgun. Guys, how many knockouts do you have?
Oh my.
Shotgun.
Oh.
Bro, I still have one knockout.
I'm going to boon, bro.
Bro. Oh, the hammer. I forgot about the hammer.
I'm going to boon, bro.
Wait, bro, the hammer is not here. Bro. Yes, I have the shotgun.
What?
I have the daddy.
Are you kidding? Where's the key? If there is Granny, where's the key? Yo, where's the spider key? Yo, where's the spider key? Right now.
Bro, I already put the spider key.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't wanna stay at Granny's house.
Yo, where's the master bedroom at?
Bro!
What?
Wait, not open.
Where's the master bedroom at?
I always do the acrobatic method, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I just hanged. What the?
I can't even hide, bro. Stop! I'm going to die.
Ooh, part of the shotgun.
You can't reach me here.
No, brother.
What the?
Hey, brother, what is this? Give me the... Ay, master. Master bite.
Mustard.
I am W
Oh,
commentator.
Gwenny. Gwenny.
I am the W commentator. Taku.
Where's
the
my
spider?
sandwich? Where's my sandwich?
Where's my burger?
Where's my burger? Where's my burger? Oh, fucking Gwenny! Gwenny! Bro, how did you kill me? Bro, I am like 3
I have
feet
the code.
away from
Yo,
you.
what the? I
Bro
don't
is
think
hitting
I
puberty.
need this though.
How long is Gwenny's breath?
Hey, yo! How long is Granny's back?
Bro, do someone have a screwdriver?
Bro, why is someone playing Sigma Boy in the background?
There's no
Oh no,
way.
oh Gwenny. Oh Gwenny. Where is
I
my
hear someone.
burger?
Oh, you're so done.
I hear someone. What the heck?
You're Odin Din Din Don. Oh,
Granny has
Granny,
autism.
where are you?
Gwenny has autism.
House.
Oh,
Gwenny has
I thought you
autism.
were Granny, bro.
Skibbity chism.
Skibidi
Go watch
listen
some
to the
skibbity
rhythm.
tits.
What?
Saksam.
Brother, what is this?
Saksam.
Who found the remote? We found the remote control.
Oh, bro, stop. Change that avatar, bro.
Granny right out there.
Change that avatar, bro. I'm your scared.
Rusty padlock.
You're a dead man. You're a dead man.
What the heck is this?
Well, I will pick two. I will pick two.
Oh, wait. I know the
You have
padlock
two
code.
shitty.
Yo!
No!
I know
Guys,
the
get
padlock
your,
code.
guys, get your free pepper spray. Get your free pepper spray.
No, Diego! No, Diego!
What the hell is that?
You're gonna die.
Now you're getting sprayed.
You're gonna die,
You have
son.
too much hitbox, bro. He's
Come
pepper
on.
sprayed, bro.
Oh,
You
God.
Where's the padlock code? Did someone unlock it, bro? It's literally right
Give me
here.
that. Give me
the
padlock code.
padlock
What
code,
is the
bro. You
padlock
need
code?
that.
Wow! Bro! Where is the padlock code?
Oh my goodness.
Bro!
Yo, run, bro. It's right
Where
there.
you need to find padlock code?
I don't know.
Guys, I need to lock in because I
What do you
fucking
need?
hate
Yo,
the
yes,
spider.
yes. 3 in 1.
Where you need to use the...
What? Do you want to say something, bro?
the padlock code?
Yes,
What do you
yes, I found the hammer.
Bro, it's already unlocked. The padlock already unlocked, bro.
Bro.
Son, where even is the spider?
Don't tell me.
I'm going inside the hole.
Guys, did you know
Inside
that,
the spider
that
hole.
you can trap
I'm going
Granny
inside the
inside the...
spider hole.
Yes, I know that. Very long time ago.
This
Hey,
is Sparta!
And don't tell me there's a spider.
Where is the way?
Stop, bro.
What are y'all on to, bro?
Ah.
Where's Slendrina? I need Slendrina, bro. Yo, give me a hammer. Yo, where's the hammer, Binson?
You're gonna hate me this because I found the hammer on the spider Granny.
Did you kill it?
Spider Granny.
Oh yes!
I can smell
Oh
Spider
yes!
Granny.
Oh yes, I can be Edmund Chigo now.
Bro, did you kill it? Did you
I
kill
can
the spider?
I can smell Spider Granny's foot.
Yes!
Bro, what the heck?
You know what? I had enough of this bomb, Granny. Granny, where are you?
Pepper spray. Pepper spray.
Where's Granny, bro? Where's Granny? The old lady. Where's that old
let's
lady,
do
bro?
na ay dinosaur thing after.
Guys, get your free shotguns.
How? I don't even have a
And
shotgun.
Jigger!
Yes, thank you.
Cheerleader.
You all got ammo here.
Master key. Master bait.
Master Key, Master Key. Kim Jong-un is
Where
Master
I use
Key.
the where I use the
Yeah,
special
good luck
key.
down the spider, okay? Good luck down the spider.
Bro, where I use the master, where I use the special key.
In the
Bro,
third floor, the
it's
third
already
floor.
done.
The door in the third floor.
Bro,
Bro,
where did you find the wheel crank?
scanning me.
Where did you find
You
the
are
wheel crank?
scanning me.
Where did you find the...
Wheel crank.
Come. Follow me.
Hey, Granny is.
Follow me.
I don't know.
Follow me.
I'm going.
I know the exact place.
Do you know the way? No, I'm dead.
Oh!
Come on. Come on.
Stop! Yo.
You
Follow me,
first.
bro. Follow me. Where is it?
Ay! To Granny.
Bro,
bro.
Granny's not
The
an
spider is camping.
Bro,
He's camping,
bro.
bro. It's camping. Look.
Bro.
This sacrifice himself.
No.
Fine, bro. Wait. It did not see me. It did not see me. No way.
Come here, bro. Come
Wait.
here, bro. Right here.
Okay, I'm going.
No, not here. No, not here, bro. Not here.
Wait, never mind. I got the hammer. Thank you, bro. I got the hammer.
Here. Here, put it right here.
Bro, why you not always find the wheel crank? Bro!
Come on.
Nothing. It did nothing.
Holy.
Oy, where is Matthew 6:17? No! Stop!
Get inside, bro.
My God!
Just pick
Oh
number
my
2.
God.
Okay, just pick number 2.
Oh my
Just
God!
pick number
No.
2.
Bro, pick number 2! You do it.
I lost the freaking hammer.
Goodbye.
I have to go back again.
Kid.
Bro,
Get right.
this granny
Bro,
logic.
what the heck? What the hell? Bro, I'm stuck!
Hey, yo. Hey, bro, what do you mean stuck?
On stock. I proceed on stock.
Bro! I can't leave!
Oh!
Bro!
What the?
Yeah, you stop
I'm
there.
the
Goodbye.
elevator. No!
Bro, just click the elevator gate.
I can't! Do it.
Oh my goodness. Bro, Matthew.
Oh, I'm
What?
stuck.
Matthew.
What?
Just open the door. Oh my goodness. When you're not that slick. When you're not that slick.
Bro,
Yeah,
why
you
did you leave
back.
here?
What?
Bro, stop! You leave here.
Bro, I'm sorry. I have to do it.
Bro, come on, place the
Where is-
teddy bear.
Bro, where is the teddy bear?
You don't remember? No way, bro.
Bro!
What the?
Bro! Get me here. Get me up.
The cogwheel. We found the cogwheel. Bro!
Bro, get me out of here.
Okay, fine.
Bro, she right there!
Okay, guys, that's the part 1. I'm gonna post the part 2 right now. Thank you.